All right, guys, 4 ways not to buy gold. Now, some of you guys may be experienced and you guys pretty much know all this. But there's some people that's fairly new like I was who needed to see a video just like this. But if you guys are watching, I appreciate the support. And let me know if you guys actually did any of these. But thank you guys so much for watching another video of Urban Lifestyle, where our goal is to help you guys create a better life. And you guys can help out by leaving a subscribe, leaving a comment, leaving a thumbs up. Find me on my social media platform, Urban Lifestyle 1989. And don't forget to hit that notification icon so you guys get future notifications of my future videos. Let's go. You guys can also check out ublife.com so you guys can get your amazing t-shirts just like these. And also, if you want to help support the channel, you guys can also get some silver there as well. That's ublife.com. Question of the day. What are your biggest mistakes when buying gold? Comment down below, let me know. So one of the first big don'ts when it comes to purchasing gold is don't pay too much. Now, when I first started buying gold, I paid over too much. Like, I didn't care. I just wanted to have gold. I didn't shop around. I didn't see if I can get a better price. I just went on a shopping spree, not caring about how much the gold costs. So when you're purchasing gold, you want to make sure you know what the spot price is. Now, you're always going to pay a premium unless you buy from someone who just want to get rid of it. Then you can get yourself a deal. But if you're buying it from an online bullion dealer, you're always going to pay a premium. So I'll say always stay in the range between 2 to 5% markup over spot price. I'll say that's a safe place to linger around when it comes to price of gold. Now, number 2, don't buy historical value. Now, I haven't done this with gold, but I've done it with silver, where somebody sold me on, hey, this is a piece of silver that was over 2,000 years old and things like that. You want to buy it, and it's not even an ounce, but we're going to charge you $79 for it. At the end of the day, silver is silver. It doesn't matter if it was touched by the first man to ever walk the planet. Matter of fact, I might want to buy that as well if, you know, has some historical. Come on, Eli. No, I wouldn't. Based on the historical value or the numismatic value, people are going to want to mark up the price on you. So, like I said before, make sure you're aware of what spot is. Number 3, and to me, this is the most controversial one, and that is don't buy fractional coins. Now, I'm the king of that. There's so much people on this channel that knows that I purchase a whole bunch of fractional coins. Well, technically they're bars, but I have some fractional coins there as well. So what are fractional coins, you may ask? Fractional coins are any amount of gold that does not equal up to an ounce. Now, I don't have a problem with it, but at the same time, I do have a problem with it. My whole ideal is if you're going to be buying fractional gold, let's say you're going to buy an ounce worth of fractional gold within the next 3 months, then I'll say save your money, don't bother about it, and buy 1 ounce once you have it. But if you only plan to pick up 2, 3, 4 grams a year, then yeah, I have no problem with that. But why should you not buy fractional gold? Especially when you're going to be buying a lot in a short time frame? Let me explain to you. Gold right now, spot price is in the range of $1,200 per ounce. And companies are going to add a premium to it. Let's say $1,300 with a markup premium onto it, right? Now, if you were to buy a 1 gram of gold, that'll cost you between $40 to $50 for 1 gram of gold. We all know that it takes 32 grams to make 1 ounce. 1 troy ounce, that is. Now, if we take the price of 40 or 50, we times that by 32, it comes up to 1,500. Now, this is just a basic price. This is just at the entry level. I've seen grams of gold for 60, 70. So if you were to buy a whole bunch of gold, let's say 32 grams worth, within the next 3 months, it would cost you about $200 to $300 more if you were to just save up money and just wait 3 months and buy it at 1,300, maybe 1,350, who knows? You can always check comparegoldprices.com. And this is why they say don't buy fractional coins or gold. Now, the last one, and this is what I 100% agree with, and that is don't buy using leverage. What does that mean, leverage? Basically, it means don't buy using money that's not yours or borrowed money. Don't go to your credit card and just throw in all your credit line all into gold and silver. Matter of fact, don't go all in with all your money. The only way, listen to me now. This is the only way you can borrow money to buy gold. You listening? If you yourself from the future gets into a time machine and comes back in time and tells you, hey, listen, and can prove it to you, well, it's yourself. I'm pretty sure you wouldn't want to give yourself bad information anyways. But anyways, prove to you that gold will go over 100% increase. And we all know that's not gonna happen. So, case in point, never, ever, ever, ever buy using leverage. And those are my 4 reasons how not to buy gold. But I wanna know what you guys think. The video is over, but the conversation doesn't have to. So comment down below, let me know your thoughts. But thank you guys so much for watching another video of Urban Lifestyle. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, leave a thumbs, I still don't know where this came from. Leave a thumbs up and have a wonderful day.